So when you're on the road, you see cool toys. Look what's parked next to us. The same exact truck, except it's a dually. Oh, that's cool. His Ford symbol's got, is that his name, I'm sure?
No, Peterbilt's the diesel truck company, the famous American diesel truck company.
Well, why does his say Peter?
Kind of a small toy hauler, I think.
Wow, that's kind of cool. And check this out. This guy's got
bikes. He's got about $150,000 worth of motorcycles.
Nice, custom made, like Harleys. Lots of cool stuff on the road. Cool toys, yeah. I'm kind of an amateur when it comes to, you know, I'm just starting out, right?
Yeah, this trailer's kind of small.
I know, I've got the like pop-up camper, but I do have the King Ranch, you know, the 2015.
You're not listening.
What?
You see how small this trailer is?
What do you mean, how small? It's huge.
It's the biggest one you can get.
There's an old...
It still wouldn't fit all your stuff.
Yeah, I'm gonna need like one of those semi-trucks, like you said.
Yeah,
that Knight Rider has, right?
That is a big toy hauler. Oh my god.
Huh. It's pretty big. I've seen bigger though, huh?
No, that's
no? So we're at Lev's truck stop in Williams, Arizona.